tugenda kuyiga bwe tukwata Windows zaffe zonna either Windows 10, 11 zonna zoba oyetaaze okuziteeka ku flash disk yaffe ogifuula bootable device. Yes, ogifuula bootable device. So kye tugenda okukola ogenda kusooka inserting mu flash disk yo. Womala ku inserting mu flash disk, make sure ogenda n'osooka noja allocating, you know where it is, ojagenda no ku this PC, so you make sure nti ogiraba it is red, being red. Yange size nene eri empty, completely empty. Naye banga teli empty, kyogenda okukola ogenda kukwata formatting flash disk yo. So ojagenda no ku format, let's go back a little bit. Ojagenda ku format, then starting your formatting bakwe warning if anything is on this flash disk obogena kiruzinga. Ensonga tetwagala ku kintu kyonna ku flash disk because tugenda kubayanga tutuuzako Windows zaffe. Kino kikolebwa kubanga Windows tezisharinga flash disk na any kind of data zituulako zokka. So we erase everything. After completing, you close this, then our flash disk is ready to go. The minimum inakubeera 8GB. Inakubeera 8GB flash disk. So tugenda ku Firefox tuandikemu anything that you would want. Also otekamu create Windows 11 installation media, also otekamu Windows 11 kyonna ky'oba kijja kutwala ku website ya Microsoft. So make sure nti ogenda ku website ya Microsoft. So making sure most of the in most cases yebeesookera ddala obeerawo websites endala omuntu zayinza okugwako naye ogenda wano kwenesooka eyoja www.microsoft.com. So we go here, we click and go there. So wetutuuka awo tugenda making sure nga tutuse ku website yaabwe tugenda ku looking for create Windows 11 installation media. Kino kye twagala kino kyokka, create Windows 11 installation media. So we download. So already mbadde nyinamu file. Nze already mbadde njinamu. If existing file is complete, show download complete. Kale, let us go here. Nze already mazo downloading. You download it from here. Don't go to the first download. Wano wajja kuba bakulaga installation assistant. No, ojja genda waneno after let's close this. After create Windows 11 installation media down, you download from there. Kati ze mazo ku downloading. So I've downloaded it on using MDI Internet Download Manager. So I'm going to open it. We mala kujja opening, I'll accept to proceed in installing. So let us be closing this for a while and let us be waiting. So ejja kubetwala kweno window weti gekugamba getting a few things ready. So you have to be patient somehow. It usually doesn't take a long time. Trying to Wi-Fi yange siye ino obuzibu. Waneno ino kuba yango connected ku internet. Ino kuba yango oli connected ku internet. So we are waiting. Tuli mukulinda. Yes. Nakati wojja waneno, you can go through the license terms. Naye in most cases obango ino obudde wandi bisemu. So fete tugenda biyitamu kati. Ojja biyitamu. So you accept. Yeah. Omala, you have to wait. Oyina okulinda. Yes, kakati wano bagamba select language and edition. So waneno language already in United States. I think we should leave it there. Then Windows 11, yeah, checho. So what we will do, also we'll selecting whenever Gabe use the recommended option for this PC. So system already they are choosing day one. That's why I'm choosing. Now if you uncheck that, also we'll choosing again any language that you want. So another thing, already we have only one option. So after choosing that, we can go with this. Yeah. It doesn't matter so much. So what we are going to do to get going next. So choose which media to use. Already we have our USB flash. drive munda gye twalabye. So gye tugenda okukozesa already it is selected, so you make sure you choose this. So we go next. Wano bagamba select a USB flash drive. In case wadi tuyinamu USB ezisukka mwemu tuyinza selecting wano already tuyina mwemu, so we select this. It's the only one that we have, so we press next. So wait for the process. Process eraga nti yinza otwala some longer time, naye we will bear with that. Nempozi nekyala njagala obagamba nga you are installing these windows osobola n'okikola without a flash disk nobanga ozikwata noze, maybe you have to want to upgrade. You can upgrade nga tokozesa any flash disk. Omanyanga ya flash disk no upgrading abo upgrading nze ogenda ku website nga wagenze ndoza, it will be another lesson in future. So another thing kyembadde njagala obatangazaamuko during the Windows installation, wokwata Windows zino noziteeka ku flash eno flash ebeera carrier ya Windows zino eno zibeera zituddeko. Ekirungi kyayo nti you never need to download and do the same process eno gye tuli kukola kati essaawa zino. You never have to repeat the same process. So osobola okukwata flash disk yemu no making sure nti etwalako Windows zino eno z'oba otaddeko, so that you jump all this process another time you would like to install Windows 11 ku computer endala yonna. So essaawa zino tuli mu kuwandiika Windows 11 ku flash disk yaffe, but it's going to take some time. It will take some time. You have to be patient. Naye after installing Windows on the flash disk, it is easier okubeera nga oziteeka ku any computer that you have as long as you're supporting a Windows 11. So after installing all this, flash disk yaffe egenda kubeera carrier ya Windows 11. Yeah, it is somehow taking a lot of time, naye let us bear with it. Kigenda kuba nga kiggwa mu bwangu ddala. Let us give it some little time. Yeah. So flash disk yaffe eno egenda kubanga you can use it on any laptop okuteekako oba okuinstallingako Windows 11. We shall go through that process also on how to install Windows 11 ku any flash disk. Naye as per my concern, omuntu yenna agenda okufallinga onto this video ogenda kubanga you are looking for how to create a bootable device. That is what ekintu abantu abasinga kwa installation is very easy. Naye how to create a installation media obanchite bwentyo. So that's what we are doing now. Yeah, kubanga kirieri it is very easy. It's very easy. We shall make another video for it. Right now tugenda kulaba butya tulimu kulaba butya we to creating a bootable device using our USB drive etalina ku kawanswa 8GB. So tulimu gituuzaako Windows 11 ezaffe. Wezimala okutuulako we will be able to use it on any computer. Oseka muteka mutesi flash disk yo. It's better even you label it. Ogamba nti nagifuula ya Windows 11. You can have all kind of Windows in case it is your type of work and you're going to installing a Windows 11 computers abantu. So you can have them already done. Nezita kusumbuwa kubeera ngo repeating the same process kati nga we tuli mu going through kati. Process ene twala obudde buwanvu muko. That's why I advise you to do that. Okubeera ne separate flash disk and you separate it for that. Yeah. So process yaffe eno wano wetutuuse batugamba creating Windows 11 media. So we are creating the Windows 11 here. Yeah. We just wano ina kubeera just patient, ina kubeera mugumiikiriza mukatini nnyo. Yeah, naye ngezaako okuddusaako mu video naye you might wait longer, it depends. Yes, video yaffe ebadde wanvuyeemuko naye as per now tuli ku 99. Wano bagambe your USB flash drive is ready. So what you can do here next, ogenda eno nonyiga finish. Yeah, byonna nga biwedde. That's the process. Olinamu katono, you wait. There are no any other thing that you can choose. Bigenda byetwala byokka, so you press finish. Yeah. Wano bagamba setting up is cleaning up before it closes. Yeah. So you wait, it is done. Yeah, it is done. Nga nange ka battery kange kaweddeko naye we shall go with that. Tugenderawo. yeah ate chicho yeah tugendera awo. So that's it. Era tugenda tukebera USB yaffe tugenda girabanga images there. Let us refresh. Sorry to so let us go to the file again. Let us go to this PC. So you see USB yaffe esaazi nene eriko image oja setup yonna nga bweri. This is the setup. Windows zituddeko bulungi nnyo. Our image is seated on this. So it is all done. Awo kiba kiwedde. USB yaffe eba efuuse bootable device. Mweraba. Let us wait for another part. Bwe tunaba tulaba butya bwe tukozesa USB yaffe ate nate.